Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video, quickly updating you on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Bitcoin currently as we speak is around 96,000 USD. Things in the market are not really looking that great because we're currently below the 100k. No idea why the 100k is so stubborn, to be honest. Every time we get over the 100k, we start creeping up over the 100k. Something happens in the market and we fall below the 100k once more to 96, 92 within this range. So currently as we speak, the price is 96. So in my own humble opinion, by all means, I'm not a financial advisor, you should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. I do believe that we can go down all the way to 92, have some support, go bounce back all the way to over the 100k once more, retest again 102. If we clear it, we can potentially go all the way to all-time high. And if we clear the all-time high 109,000 USD, we can also potentially go to even further bullish price points. But for the time being, right now, things in the market are just going stagnant and things are not really moving as much as we hope for. Unfortunately, also, we're having a bearish touch right now in the market. I'm not being bearish on the grand scheme of things, but I'm just saying that for the time being, we're just being bearish for a few weeks now. And the price is just needing a little bit of a momentum. Once we find that momentum, once we find some excitement in the market, we can potentially go all the way to completely new all-time highs. And we can also translate that into potential movement for different coins on the market, especially Dogecoin. I still do believe that Dogecoin will have a major move within the foreseeable future. And many of you are just asking, what's a foreseeable future? Well, now nobody can define the foreseeable future. It can be few days, weeks, or months. But I do believe within the first couple of quarters of this year, meaning that until mid this year, we can still have this bullish momentum. We're not bearish as of yet, but we're just having severe corrections along the way, or moderate corrections along the way. And then once we clear these levels, we can go all the way to the range between 120 and 160, which is the realistic price target for BTC for this current cycle. Of course, that's all prediction. Nobody knows for sure. If you're trading, you have to put some risk management strategy in place. You need to understand what you're doing. And if you're just holding, keep holding. There is no harm in there. But if you're trading and if you're just going too excited about the market, you know, selling your house, selling your car, putting yourself in a financial tricky situation just in a hope that Bitcoin will go up. Yes, it will go up, but nobody knows for sure when or how or in what order Bitcoin will go. Bitcoin has proven over time that it will just always bounce back and it will crash numbers over and over again. So, you know, you have to be flexible, you have to be aware of your financial situation and then take the risk accordingly. So it's completely up to you. The risk that you're taking should be proportionate to your financial stability, of course. I personally know people who have, you know, gone slightly too excited about the market and they have sold their assets and they just got all in. Some of them got all in slightly at a you know, earlier point and at a good price. So now they're in decent profit. Some other people, they're not really entering the market or timing their entry at a good point. So they bought almost at the top. Now currently they're also in a somewhat also a losing position. So it completely gets down to your understanding of the market and not putting yourself into much risk. So that's completely up to you. Of course, as usual, I'll be updating you whenever something else happens in the market. Thank you all for attention and see you next one. Bye-bye.